Hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. If you are new here, I'm Madeline. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today we are headed over to my friend Mallory's house. We are gonna have some just kind of friend, festive fun, filming, baking, streaming, overall extravaganza time, and as always, I'm a little late, so let's do this. Quick OOTD, even though I've already put my coat on, I am wearing my new Yes Style shirt, an older Yes Style skirt that I had, my Urban Outfitters kind of faux thigh-high tights, my Converse All-Stars, and then the coat is from Urban Outfitters as well. The men's section, surprisingly enough. Which also, gloriously enough, means it has like giant pockets, and it was meant to be reversible, so it's got pockets on the inside too. Overall, it's a great coat. We have made it. We need to look through a couple cookbooks while Scotty's still outside, figure out exactly what we want to make, and then run to the grocery store, get our ingredients, come back, maybe stop and get pizza on the way. We shall see. Here are our options of cookbooks. We are going vegan because Mal is vegan, and I am very excited to see how this turns out. Because as y'all know, I'm not vegan, but I'm very open to vegan food and very excited to try it. This has taken no time because she was awesome, and pre-post-it noted, this sounds too good. To the store. Victory! We have made it to the grocery store. It is time to get our ingredients. I am so excited! We're on a mission! We're on a mission! Alright, let's figure out what we need.
Some frozen stuff.
Ooh. Lemon?
Yeah, some nice lemon.
Peach is down. Peach is down. This fruit's biting. Biting fruit. I have Nutella stuffed Uncrustables. What is this? I love Uncrustables. Uncrustables were my childhood. Uncrustable grilled cheese. Shout out. Cool. Time to get ice cream. Alright. I think I'm gonna go with this. It's a local pick. Madagascar vanilla. And it's just cute. Let's be real. Great design. Neither of us have had dinner yet, so we decided to stop for a quick bit of pizza from a food cart pot over here. Thank you, madame. We just got back and we were setting down all of our stuff, and her cat Moxie has made himself a pizza fort. Look at Moxie! Just look at him! Oh, that's cute. That's real cute. Oh my god. That looks amazing! Okay, I thought this was gonna be a good shot, but damn.
That looks interesting. It's hot wing. It's hot
That's
wing
vegan
pizza.
hot wing pizza, and for vegan hot wing pizza, that looks very good.
Yeah.
Okay, 48 North, we see you. There's so
Got him.
Once you get it to your mouth, it is very good though. Okay, I am really craving something sweet, and my blood sugar just dropped, so I guess we get to try an Uncrustable, you know, once it decides to thaw, because that's...
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I think it's about ready. Let's give it a try. It smells like Wonder Bread, and it's making me feel so nostalgic. The inside's still definitely frozen, but something about that's even better. It's very refreshing and very, very tasty. Oh, we thought we had sugar, but it turns out it's flour, so grocery trip number 2. It's late, so hopefully they have it. Success! We have everything now. It is time to make this cobbler. We are trying to cook. We had no foil. We have 1 fork. Look how many metal straws. She's got 3 metal straws, 1 fork. 1 fork. What is this?
You're not mentioning
Dystopia.
all the chopsticks that I have.
There are a lot.
We
Look
eat
at
a
all
lot
the
of noodles.
chopsticks. You have a paint opener. The cobbler is officially completed. Oh, look at that bubbling. Oh, that looks so, so good. We have ice cream. This is gonna be fantastic. All right, let's give this a try. We done good. We done real good. I am filled with cobbler, and Scotty is now on the way to come and get me. I am frankly exhausted, but I had a fantastic day. Hopefully you did too, and if you did, please be sure, hit the subscribe button down below, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow.